Hello dear students, once again welcome to our channel Concept Corner. In the last video, we studied class 9 mathematics chapter 7 exercise 7.1. One number was done and two number was for you homework, but no one has put it in the comment box. Very sad to know it. So today I am going to solve 3 number question, and if possible then we'll go to next number. So 3 number question is given here. The figure is drawn here. AD and BC are equal perpendicular to a line segment AB, so that CD bisect AB. Here figure is given. AD and BC are two equal perpendiculars to a line segment AB. Here AB, that means AD is perpendicular to AB also, BC is perpendicular to AB also, and they are equal. It is said in the question. So now we have to prove that CD's line segment bisect this AB line segment. That means this part and this part are equal. We have to prove this one. So before proceed, we will write what are given here. Question number 3, exercise 7.1. So question number 3 given. What are given? AD is perpendicular to AB, BC is perpendicular to AB also, and AD is equal to BC. That means AD and BC are equal perpendicular side. That is why AD and BC are equal. Now we have to prove that this line segment CD bisect the line segment AB. That means that it divides it into two equal parts. We have to prove this one. That means to prove or to show, to prove, suppose this one is O, AO and BO. So we have to prove AO equal BO. Now prove, since these two sides are in the two triangles, so we will take these two triangles and we will show that these two triangles are congruent. So first of all, in triangle ADO and in triangle BCO, here AD is equal to BC, AD is equal to BC, given, it is given in the question, equal perpendiculars are said, so AD equal to BC. Again, angle A is equal to angle B, both are 90 degree here because they are perpendicular, so they are equal, both are 90 degree. In bracket we can write also, here we can write, no problem. Again, in this triangle this angle, and in triangle BCO this angle, these two angles are vertically opposite angles, so we know that vertically opposite angles are always equal, so we can write angle AOD equal to angle BOC, vertically opposite angle. So now say AD is equal to BC, angle A is equal to B, and angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. So if we see, then what criteria is used here? AD, that means one side and two angles. One side, this side is equal to this side, and this angle, and these two angles are equal. So we can write either we say side angle or angle side. This criteria is used here. By this criteria, these two triangles are congruent. So we can write, therefore triangle ADO is congruent to triangle BCO by the criteria either SAA or AAS. SAA, side angle. So since they are congruent, now all the corresponding parts are equal. So we can write the side AO is equal to BO. Therefore, AO is equal to BO. We need to prove this one. CP. So this one is the solution of question number 3. Now question number 4 is for you. This time you will solve the question number 4 and you will put in the comment box. Next question we will see question number 5. Question number 5 is given. You will see in the book, line L is the bisector of an angle A and B is any point on L. BP and BQ are perpendicular from the two arms of angle A. Show that 1 number APB is congruent to AQB and BP is equal to BQ. That means line L is the bisector of angle A. This one is an angle. It is an angle A and L is a bisector. This is one line segment. This is line L. This line bisects the angle A. That means these two angles are equal. And B is any point on L. B is any point here on the line L. Again, BP and BQ are perpendicular from B to the arms of angle. That means BP is perpendicular to this arm and BQ is perpendicular to this arm. Arms of the angle. We need to prove two questions are there. One number angle APB is congruent to AQB. APB is congruent to AQB. Another is BP is equal to BQ. BP is equal to BQ. So let's start. What are given? It is given L is the bisector of angle A. When B is any point on L, BP and BQ are the perpendiculars to the arms of the angle. To prove, two questions are there. One number triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB. Another is 2 number BP is equal to BQ. These two we need to prove. So you pause the video and you will write down this, and next step, see. So now we'll prove the sum. Proof. Which two triangle we need to prove? Congruent triangle APB and triangle AQB. So we'll take these two triangles and find the equal parts. So in triangle, one number, in triangle APB and triangle AQB. What parts are equal here? See here in question, first of all it was said that line segment L bisect the angle A. So we can write this angle and this angle are equal. Angle PAB will be equal to angle QAB. Why they are equal? Because L is the bisector. L is the bisector. Next, if we say in this triangle, this is 90 degree because BP is perpendicular here, and in this triangle BQ is perpendicular, so these two angles will be 90 degree. Angle APB is equal to angle AQB. Both are 90 degree. And now see, side AB is present in both the triangles. In triangle APB also, in triangle AQB also. So we can say that this side is common side. We can write AB is common side, or you may write like this: AB is equal to AB, common side. Common side. So from these two triangles, three corresponding parts are equal. So we can say that these two triangles are congruent. But what criteria? See, we get angle this one and this side. Again in this triangle, angle this one and this side. That means one side is there and two angles are there. So we may say either angle side or side angle. No? So by that criteria, therefore triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB by the criteria AAS or SAA. AAS. So these two triangles are congruent. So second one is there. We need to prove that BP and BQ are equal. Since these two triangles are congruent, we have already proved. So in two congruent triangles, we know all corresponding parts are equal. So these two parts will be equal since the triangles are congruent. So two number, right? Since triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB, we have proved it in number 1. So we can write, therefore the side BP is equal to BQ, CP. So these are the two solutions of this exercise for today, this much. So 4 number question is for you. Again I am telling, so you will solve the question and put in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe and share so that other will get also help from this video. Thank you.